Hi there, I'm here to talk about accessibility. What does that mean? Why did you put the picture of the lawsuit on your screen? That was pretty scary. Well, I didn't mean to scare you. However, lawsuits have been on the rise, and we actually do need to talk about this in a 5-part series of videos so that you can understand what do you need to do to make your website or e-commerce business accessible for persons with disabilities. I'm sure we all saw the Super Bowl, and I'm sure you enjoyed the halftime show. Well, that ASL interpreter was there for that reason. She was there to provide a way for persons that are deaf to be able to hear and enjoy the show the way that they are able to participate. And so essentially, what is happening, a number of businesses have been sued because their website is not accessible for persons with disabilities. Some might argue, well, is it really required? Disability advocates argue that if your services are not accessible, it can lock out a large part of the population. And 1 in 5 people actually have a disability. So it's the right thing to do, actually, to make certain that everyone is included and you have a way for persons to access your services and buy your products. More recently, one of the largest cases involved probably the second or largest pizza company in the entire country, where it was settled, I believe, in 2019. And the young man is blind. He was not able to order pizza. And so despite having a screen reader, he could not use his mobile app or his PC. And so the lawsuit was won by this gentleman, and you can go online to research it. A number of lawsuits have come up in Florida. Some businesses have closed as a result. So I'm here to explain this in a way to make it simple for you to understand. And we're going to talk about the disabilities that a person has. Someone may come to your website that has a vision impairment. Perhaps they are blind. The person may have a neurological disability, a physical disability. Meaning they have a limited range of motion, they may have partial paralysis, they may have an issue with if they are in a wheelchair or they have a deformity. I have persons that I work with that actually have this issue, and it really is very challenging. I myself do not have a disability, but I see how hard it is for persons with severe disabilities to be independent. And one of the things they want to do is do the same things that everyone else does, ordering pizza or being able to watch the Super Bowl and listen to the music. So other disabilities would include vision impairment, which is blindness. The person may have problems seeing colors. Some of the persons I've worked with in the past do best with like a black background or a dark background. So not to, I don't want to bog you down with a lot of information, but if you want to make your website more accessible to a person that has a disability, I'm including a checklist, yes, in the section below. And as always, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel so that you can follow me for more information. I've done the research so you don't have to. And there are simple techniques that you can use to make your website accessible. If you conduct a class, if you have an e-commerce business, I have a simple tool that you can use, and we're going to get to that in the next video. So let me know if this was helpful. Comment on the checklist, and I look forward to hearing from you. Good luck.